Top 10 features your home needs for 2025. Number 1. Large mudroom with plenty of closet for coats. Number 2. Washer-dryer area with storage cabinetry. Number 3. Large kitchen sink and prep area. Number 4. Kitchen island with seating. Number 5. Multiple cooking areas. Number 6. Open concept living. And no home would be complete without number 7, a large TV and fireplace. What about number 8? An additional guest powder room, perfect for parties. Imagine having number 9, a full-fledged home bar, complete with number 10, a feature wall entertainment center. Now tell me, what was your favorite feature?
If you have a TV hanging over your fireplace and you don't have the depth to recess it, all you need to do is add some moldings around it to give it some dimension so the TV looks flush. How are we going to support the countertop? So it's a 20-inch countertop with a 6-inch wall. So we need something to support it or it'll literally fall over. So we can do a traditional wood bracket, which is not going to work with our design. So we found a cool new product, the hidden granite bracket. This bracket will mount right against the wall and the countertop will sit right on top of it and it'll look like the countertop's actually floating without any support. When you have that blind corner and you can't get the stuff out behind it, they have a new magic corner. So everything pulls out, opens up fully. Then you have full access. What's in the back, you can now get access to that soft, easy close mechanism. Okay, what the heck is this? It's a 2-piece magnetic dryer vent. If you've installed a dryer before or you're getting ready to install a new one, I'm sure you're worried about when you push it back in place, am I going to either crush the pipe or is one of the hose clamps going to fall off? Well, this eliminates all those confusions. Basically, it centers itself, it magnets together, and creates an airtight seal. One side connects right to your outside vent, the other side connects right to your metal piping of your dryer, you push it together, and you're done. So if you're interested in this product and you want more information, comment Magnet and I'll send it to you.
You gotta check out these secret rooms. It's a swing-out wainscot panel. Wanna see how they did it? Well then check this out.
Did you see my viral video on a swing door? Now let me show you the hardware. It's from Sugasuni. It's the Lynx 1000. It comes in white and black. It can be used on doors from 29 inches all the way up to 43 and a half. It can hold up to 200 pounds, plus it only projects out half of what a normal swing door would. So if you're interested in this product, comment swing and I'll send you information. If you're looking for the perfect slab for your project, like this beautiful Taj Mahal that's behind me, this is a very mild veining on this slab, but then in this lot of Taj Mahal, you're going to see a very wild grain that goes all the way through. The other great thing about a slab viewing center is you'll be able to see multiple lots of the same color. So if you're looking for the perfect slab for your project, get your fabricator to get you an invitation to a slab viewing center. Hey, have you ever seen this before? It's a Slim Shaker door by St. Martin Cabinetry. This is the Hampton Square door, and it's a rift cut white oak, but it comes in other stain colors and it even comes in paint. What is it? It's a slab door with a 1/2 inch by 7/8 frame all the way around the perimeter, so it's just a little bit of a twist on a normal shaker door. You want more information on this? I'll send it to you. Just comment Slim.
People have been flipping over this, but the question is, what is it? It's a quartz countertop. So let me ask you something. What type of countertop would you use in your kitchen?
You have an existing switch and you want to add another switch to the other side of the room, but you don't have power over there. You can simply replace it with a Lutron Caseta dimmer switch and then use the remote control Pico, where you can just basically put it right to the wall, put a cover plate over top of it, and you have a 3-way system with no additional wiring, and you can do it yourself.
Here's my top 5 hidden door ideas. Which one's your favorite? Number 1. Disappearing wood wall. Number 2, moving mirror, perfect for closet. Number 3, sliding stone wall. Number 4, double disappearing doors. What would you hide in there? Number 5, never run out of toilet paper with this hidden bathroom storage. So tell me, which number is your favorite?
Hey Dan, show us that again.
Alexa, raise backsplash.
I can't believe this is really a voice-controlled backsplash. And it lifts up to a pantry and prep space behind it? That's such a cool idea.
As simple as that, you've got a kitchen, prep space, all in one.
You drilled for a recessed light and there's a joist in the way. Has this ever happened to you? Let me show you a new product I found. It's from Rab Electric. It's a wafer light. It's only a 1/2 inch thick, so it's only as thick as the drywall, so it can go right up against that joist without chopping anything out or having to relocate the light.
Notice anything weird about this shower? Yeah, where the heck is the drain? It's called Quick Drain, and it's hidden in the wall behind the tile. Watch how easy it is to get to it. The cover is actually held in place with magnets for quick and clean removal and complete accessibility to the 2-inch drain. The complete kit comes with everything you need for a perfect installation. If you want more product information, just comment drain and I'll send it to you.
Hey, never have enough room in your refrigerator? Well, then you need this. It's a walk-in home refrigerator, completely customizable to your needs. You can combine refrigeration and freezer spaces. You can even add a beverage station. Plus, it comes designed, delivered, and installed right in your home. Just comment I need this and I'll send you the information.
10 best cabinet storage hacks. And number 10 is my personal favorite. Number 1, upper cabinet swing out shelves. Number 2, swing out blind corner shelves. Number 3, slide out spice shelves. Number 4, easy reach pull down wall shelves. Number 5, spice pullouts with swing out shelves. Number 6, U-shaped undersink roll tray. Everybody's got junk, so how about a flip out junk drawer? Check out this 2-tier K-cup drawer. Number 9, pull out utensil drawer with knife block. And number 10, the magic corner. It pulls everything right to the front for easy access. Which kitchen accessory was your favorite? Type storage and I'll send you my links.
It's made of hex steel. It has a soft stainless steel finish, which is fingerprint proof, plus it's scratch resistant. It comes in this gunmetal gray or it comes in classic stainless. It also has 4 different sizes and it can be done in top mount or under mount like we're using here. Okay, so now that the sink's installed, I wanted to show you a close up. So you can see it has a nice fingerprint proof finish. This gunmetal gray looks really great against the contrasting white quartz countertop. The accessories fit right into place, like this drying rack and the cutting board, and they slide right across into place. So if you're interested in more information on this product, comment matrix and I'll send it to you. Has this ever happened to you? You open your cabinet door, it hits right into the wall. This little plastic clip's going to make all the difference. Watch us install it now.
Remove the entire hinge from the cabinet. This allows easy access to the back of the hinge and makes it easier to install the clip. Lay the hinge flat and get the hinge clip. Close the hinge fully to access the back and install the clip into the back of the hinge. Push it down into place and then open it fully to snap the clip into place. This constricts the hinge to only open up to 86 degrees. First, reinstall the hinge to the cabinet door. This allows the hinge to self-center itself without readjusting the hinge. Now just screw the hinge back onto the cabinet frame and you're done.
Now when you open the door, it won't slam anymore. If you have a room where you have a TV but you don't always want to see it, what you can do is you can put it in a frame and you can put two-way mirror behind it. So when the TV's off, you have a beautiful mirror. Once the TV's on, you have full view of your show that you want to watch. Hey, if you love the look of Taj Mahal, well listen, here's the secret. Get yourself to a slab selection center. It's different than just going to a countertop fabricator. They're going to have 1 or 2 slabs and that's it. But if you get to a slab selection center, they're going to have multiple lots of the same color. They're even going to have multiple finishes like this brush finish right here. So if you want to do that, just comment slab and I'm going to send you a link to the slab selection center in your area. Guys, check this vanity design out before the ladies see because it could totally save your marriage. Plus, if you share your countertop, it's going to give you extra added counter space. And you're going to thank me for this one. It's a vanity grooming organizer, which has a built-in receptacle with overheat protection so it won't catch fire. Now check this out. It has a safety shutter switch, which turns the power off as soon as the drawers close and turns it back on as soon as the drawers open. So no more running back in to see if you left the curling iron plugged in. It kept the peace in my house. Now, if you want more information on this product, just comment get it and I'll send it to you. So could you imagine walking in and stepping over this every time you walk in this bathroom, or having something that fits? It's totally flush with the floor. It's from Fitz and we filled it with the exact tile pattern so you can barely see it. So if you're interested in this product, you want more information, just comment flush and I'll send it to you.
Let me show you this. Isn't that cool?